CBS 2 News.
A warning to residents, commuters, visitors, and even those just passing through Chicago. A popular decoration for your car could net you a $250 fine. Dorothy Tucker reports on the brewing court battle to get rid of the ordinance that makes tinted windows a violation in several cities.
I'm very nervous.
It's the everyday act of driving her own car that makes Jenny English nervous.
Who wants to drive worried about being pulled over?
English could get pulled over any minute for this. Tinted windows. She's violating a Chicago ordinance that bans tinted windows on the front driver's side and passenger's side. She recently got a $250 ticket when her car was parked outside of her office in Beverly.
I am really, one, confused, two, really upset.
English is confused because while the city ordinance says you can't have any tinting in the front windows, the state law allows a percentage of tinting as long as you can see through it.
I just thought if you're in the state of Illinois, every city should adhere to the Illinois law.
Attorney Thomas Glasgow agrees. He's filed a complaint against the city and is working pro bono to try and get the courts to force Chicago and other municipalities with tougher tint laws to follow the same rules. Oaklawn, Morton Grove, and Carbondale have ordinances similar to Chicago.
The difference means that you don't know whether or not you're legal from one place to the next.
So commuters, visitors, tourists heading into Chicago with tinted front windows, beware.
They can ticket you, they can fine you, they can stop you.
According to the city's response to Glasgow's complaint, Chicago has a right to make tougher ordinances if needed. And in this case, Chicago police argue they need to be able to see into the front windows for safety reasons.
The stereotype of the tinted windows has evolved. I am not a drug dealer. I don't do anything illegal. I am a psychotherapist.
In a statement, city officials said they favor the ordinance because tinted windows pose a real safety risk for officers and the general public. An officer needs to be able to see inside a vehicle when conducting a traffic stop. Attorney Glasgow says the appellate court is expected to make a decision sometime next month.